Hi guys, today I will show how I do end-to-end testing for Cozy Agent. And here I have a Gherkin script for this scenario where a raw event is processed from Telegram update. And I'm going to implement it with AI Codex. As you can see, it's not implemented yet. It only has these specific steps implemented, but this step event, it's not implemented. And by the way, also these files are also not stored. We don't have this, for example, even YAML, you don't see it here. And also it doesn't belong to to this scenario. So I already prepared this prompt for Codex and I will just run it and we will see what's going to happen. So under the hood, what it does a recording mode where it starts actual application and then uses Telegram MCP in order to do the interactions. And then it records the actual webhook calls, which come from real Telegram servers. Then these webhook calls are processed by the actual code on the backend, and then Telegram, we don't have this Telegram sending things back because it's this kind of test. We do have it in other Gherkin tests, but not in this one. This one is slightly cut because I want to see what happens in the database. And then the test, actually records the database content. And we should see it here. It's already here for another scenario. Okay, it started appearing. One other thing that we can see, you see here, it just was sent by the Telegram MCP. And these are from the previous tests, actually the first scenario that I was recording multiple times in order to debug the actual framework behind these tests. And we can see here, so it's named by the Slack raw event Telegram update. This one is processed from Telegram update. And we see these new files here. So this is the content of the event. So this is what gets stored to the database. And it's really easy to inspect it because I don't have to write every individual assert to check what happens. And this actually being done automatically. I just ask LLM what to do and it does it. And it stores what happened in the database and what is here. So I can easily inspect what Telegram sends to me, and because it's stored in this raw event, but actual webhook call is here. So we can see what was sent, and it's really easy to reason about it. I can see that the username, this is actually the username that I use for testing. This is here. This is the user that interacts with this special bot that I created for this kind of testing. And this file, this is empty because this one is designed to capture any outbound API calls. We don't have such outbound API calls for this specific test, but for other tests, we actually have them, and we use VCR Py for this. It's really great because we have, for example, we have a whole bunch of different scenarios. For example, this one where we actually set up the system, ask, and then bot sets the emoji reaction, then LLM call is made, and we can also see the response that Telegram sends. And here we can see what was happening on the API level. Well, it's a little bit cumbersome, but I have tools to read this in a much better way for myself. I'm not going to show them in this video because it's already too much. And let's see what's happening here. It's still working, all right? So what is it's doing, it's after recording the test, it runs the whole suite again in order to get it passed. Interesting. Why it's so slow? I guess it says it's healthy. All right. So that's it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel. I will review much more information about how I automated development for Cozy Agent so I can do it as a solo founder and ship so many features at high quality, just be working on it alone as a side project.